Hey friends, welcome to Curly Tales. Today you'll see that my background is a little different, and later on the video also you'll see that the surroundings are different. That's because right now I'm at my in-laws house. We just came here for a visit. Sometimes I think that one of the biggest challenge of newly wedded couples is to adjust to the in-laws place. It might be the same for both the partners, but I think personally it's a little more difficult for the women. I mean, the women are most affected. Women have to uproot themselves from a very familiar surrounding, from the place they were born and brought up, and place themselves into a totally new place, new house, surrounded by totally new people. So it is naturally difficult for them.
Normally, you will find that there's little tension between the in laws and daughter in law in most households. But I think I was lucky in that aspect. My in laws were very good people, and my mother in law is really sweet and kind hearted woman. They were very welcoming, and they used to love when we used to visit them, and she used to prepare food that I liked, and I had the whole freedom to do whatever I like and wear whatever I want. They used to take good care of me and the kids, so we used to visit them regularly. We used to travel for work, but we used to visit them regularly, and I used to love the time I spent over there. My mother in law is a wonderful cook. I still love her cooking. She's also an animal lover, so you'll find lots of cats and dogs roaming about in the house. She actually prepares for them separately and feeds them daily. There are some hens and also that she takes care of. This house that my husband grew up in is a traditional Kerala style house with tiled roof and all that. You won't believe this house is almost 150 years old. It was built by my mother in law's grandmother's father, so you can imagine how old the house is. Renovations have been done on this house since then, but the traditional look has been well maintained. This house is situated in a very prominent place, like in the middle of Trivandrum city, but still it has a lot of open spaces, a beautiful garden, backyard, so that we can enjoy the open spaces even in the midst of the city. And after staying in small flats with limited space, it's freeing to spend some time in the open. My mother-in-law is very particular about following traditions that has been there for generations. Even during festivals, she always prepares things beforehand and always welcoming when we are visiting her anytime. You'll also find many things that are generations old, like the utensils or furniture, but everything is so well maintained. Families are meant to stay together and be bonded with love. There should be mutual respect for each other, and that will result in love. Sometimes we should try and let go of things that we don't like and don't pick up fights for every silly thing. Both sides have to put in effort to build a strong relationship with love and respect.
In today's world where daughter-in-laws are literally killed for dowry, for money, for other material possessions, I really wish that every house has an atmosphere that is peaceful and that is welcoming for new daughter-in-laws, for the new brides, so that she is happy and she feels at home. So friends, that's all I wanted to convey through this video. Hope you all enjoyed the whole vlog of my in-laws house. If you like, hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel if you are new here. We'll meet in the next video, and till then, bye.